Hi, have you ever thought about using AI for creating voiceovers? AI has been making waves in the voiceover industry lately. It's fascinating how technology is transforming the way we approach content creation. It's like having a versatile virtual voice actor at your fingertips. AI can mimic a wide range of voices, accents, and even emotions with remarkable accuracy. Think about the creative possibilities it unlocks. We can experiment with different variations in tone, pace, and style, without the limitations of relying solely on human voice actors. AI isn't here to replace talent, it's here to amplify it. And let's not forget the multilingual aspect. With AI, we can seamlessly translate and create voiceovers in multiple languages without having to hire multiple voice actors. That's a huge advantage, especially in our globalized world. But, is it easy to use these AI tools for voiceovers, you ask? Yes. From what I've seen, many platforms are designed to be very user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate them. They offer user-friendly interfaces where you input your text, select the desired style, and voila! You've got yourself a high-quality voiceover. All in all, it's an exciting time to be in the creative industry. AI-powered voiceovers are changing the landscape, sparking new ideas, and pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. So why not try for yourself? I myself use 11 Labs, but there are hundreds of sites out there that do voiceovers. Several free ones. Input the text you want, pick a voice, and you're done. Try it for yourself. And then the next step would be making your character talk like I did this. Until next time.